Jyotirao Phule and Savitribai Phule. She is widely considered to be India's first Muslim woman teacher. Fatima Sheikh born in 9 January 1831 on Pune, Mumbai, Presidency, British India. She died in 9 October 1900. Occupations: social reformer teacher. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar was an Indian jurist, economist, social reformer and political figure who was served as the chairman of the committee that drafted the Constitution of India from the discussions in the Constituent Assembly.
Abdul Kalam, Azad Moinuddin. November 1888, 22 February 1958, was an Indian independence activist, Islamic scholar, writer, and a senior leader of the Indian National Congress. Following Indian independence, he became the first Minister of Education in the Indian Congress.
APJ Abdul Kalam, scientist in aerospace and statement about Qasim Jalilullah Abdul Kalam, led India as its 11th president from 2002 to 2007. He studied physics and aeronautical engineering and was graduate from Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu. Mahatma Gandhi. The victorious struggle for India's independence from British control was led by Indian lawyer, anti-colonial Mahatma Gandhi's birthday on 2 October.
Savitribai Phule was an Indian social reformer, educationalist, and poet from Maharashtra. Along her husband Mahatma Jyotirao Phule in Maharashtra.
Zakir Hussain Khan, 8 February 1897, 3 May 1969, known as Dr. Zakir Hussain, was an Indian educationist and politician who served President of India from 13 May 1967 until his death on 3 May 1969.